Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cooking Spree. Today we are gonna make this delicious recipe of garlic bread. So let's get into the video. For the dough, here I am taking 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add half tablespoon of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. If you don't have Italian seasoning, then you can add oregano as well. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Add some salt as per the taste. Mix it well. Okay, here I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of sour curd or khatti dahi. Add some milk to combine it. I am adding half cup of milk. Here we want a medium soft dough. I am sprinkling some flour to knead the dough. As you can see, our dough is quite sticky, so if required, you can add little oil to knead the dough. Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, here our dough is ready. Now I am greasing some oil on top of it. Cover the lid and keep the dough in rest for 1 hour. Okay, meanwhile let's make the garlic butter. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use unsalted one as well. Add 2 to 3 crushed garlic. Add some freshly chopped coriander. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning or oregano. Give it a good mix. Okay, here you can see our garlic butter is ready. After 1 hour, you can see our dough is ready for further procedure. Okay, here I've already sprinkled some flour. Sprinkle some more flour. Okay, take your rolling pin and roll a thick paratha or a roti out of it like this. Here you can see our base is ready. Here I am brushing the garlic butter all over the bread which we have prepared earlier. Some more butter. Here I am adding 250 grams of cheese. You can adjust the quantity of cheese more or less accordingly. Sprinkle some chili flakes. In veggies, I am adding some corn. If you don't have corn, you can add capsicum as well. Here I am adding some more corn. Sprinkle some Italian seasoning or oregano. Here I am applying some water in the edges. Seal the bread well, otherwise the cheese will come out while baking. Here I am taking one aluminium plate for baking. I have already greased it with some oil. Apply some garlic butter which we have prepared earlier on top of it. Sprinkle some oregano or Italian seasoning and chili flakes. Here, with the help of knife, make some cuts. Make sure the strips are not completely separated. Garlic bread is ready for baking. Okay, today we are not gonna use any electric oven or OTG. We are gonna use our homemade oven or desi oven. Okay, here I am using salt in the bottom. Okay, I don't have stand, so I'm gonna put one katori in the middle like this. Okay, if you have stand, then you can use that. Okay, preheat the oven for 10 minutes at medium flame. On the same preheated oven, I have placed the garlic bread like this. Cover the lid and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at medium flame. After 15 to 20 minutes, okay, here our garlic bread is completely ready to serve. So give this recipe a try and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such amazing recipes. Enjoy!